In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a button scroll down in Card. We're going to set up a simple, smooth scrolling button that jumps visitors to a specific section of your one-page site. The process has two parts: creating a scroll point where the page should land and linking a button to that scroll point. Then we'll publish and test it together. Start by heading to card.co and opening your dashboard. Choose the site you want to edit so you're inside the builder. Once you're in, add a new element by clicking Add and select Control. In the Controls settings, open the Type dropdown and switch it to Scroll Point. This turns the control into an invisible anchor that the page can scroll to. Now place that scroll point where you want visitors to end up after they click the button. A good rule of thumb is to drop it just above the heading or content you want to reveal. That way, when the page scrolls, the section appears neatly at the top of the screen. Give the scroll point a clear, simple name and copy that name. You'll need it in a moment. Avoid spaces or special characters. Short, lowercase names work great. Next, add your button. Click Add again, choose Buttons, and then expand the buttons options using the small arrow so you can customize it. Update the label to something meaningful, like Learn More or See Details, so people know what it does. In the URL field, type a hash symbol followed by the exact scroll point name you copied earlier. For example, if your scroll point is called Features, the URL should be #features. The hash symbol is essential. It tells Card to scroll to an anchor on the same page instead of opening a link. Move the button to the spot where you want it on your layout and adjust its size, style, or alignment if needed. When you're happy with the placement and settings, click Done to save your changes. Let's publish and test it. Click Publish, then Publish Changes to push the update live. When that's finished, click View Site to open the live page. Try the button and make sure it scrolls smoothly to the correct section. If it doesn't, double check that the hash in the button's URL exactly matches the scroll point's name and that the scroll point is positioned just above the content you want to show. That's all there is to it. You've created a clean, user-friendly scroll button in Card that helps visitors navigate your page with ease.